Hi party people. We got a shipment from Next Day Koi, which is going to be a Ginrin Yamabuki Ogon butterfly koi. It's kind of a lot to take in, all Japanese. Ginrin means like shiny scales. Some koi have like shiny, it looks like almost like a sparkle in the water. And then the Yamabuki means yellow or gold. And then Ogon means all one color. I'm pretty sure that's right. And then the butterfly fins are, you know, the long ones. So let's open it up and check it out. But I've been trying to learn the like types of koi better. Or like, you know, become more knowledgeable on what type of koi we have. So this is me trying. Alrighty. First we got a little acclimation instructions with a QR code. Oh, lovely. So we're gonna take the koi in here and float him in the quarantine tank. Yay! Could you see him in there? He's doing well. Beautiful. So we'll get him in the quarantine stock tank and let's see. 30 to 60 minutes? Wow. I would have guessed 15. But look at this nice padded protection in there. But let's get him in there, start floating him around. I'm only gonna do 30 minutes because it's kind of hot out there. I don't want the sun to like, you know, bake the bag. But let's get out there and get to it. I spoke too soon with the floating the bag in the sun. I read that little quarantine or the acclimation instructions and it said grab a towel and soak it in water and drape it over the bag if there's direct sunlight. So we're gonna do that. What a smart idea. I'm gonna just let this run for a second so the water's not hot. And then we'll let them soak for 30 to 60 minutes and then we'll let them in there. I'm excited. And we just got 3 other koi last week, also butterfly koi. So those 3 guys are in here too, quarantining, and we'll quarantine them for 3 weeks to make sure they don't have any, you know, sicknesses or don't develop any sicknesses from the travel stress, and then we'll pop them in the big koi pond with the other koi. Just to make sure everyone stays healthy, you want to quarantine. Because imagine if one of these fish were sick and then we put it in our big pond and all the fish got sick. Then we'd really be screwed. All right, so we're gonna just take this wet towel and drape it like that. Now we wait. Okay, you guys, it's time. It's been like 45 minutes probably. And also, I took the koi cooling technique for myself. I drenched this towel and have been wearing it over my shoulders because I've been doing stuff outside in this hot weather. And oh my gosh, is it a game changer. So if you're in need of something to keep you cool while you're working outside, do this. It's no joke. It works beautifully. Okay. So let's see what we got going on here. I'm gonna try to not get any of this water in the stock tank. That rubber band. Oh, I thought it went flying. It went right here. Okay, so we got double bag action, so we can see him a little better through here. You're almost free, little dude. Oh, that was much easier to open than I remember. Wow, he's spicy. That's good. I want to like show him a little better. 1 second. Let me bring the camera closer. Okay, there he is. Isn't he cool looking? See the shine? All right, now let's try to get him out without being too crazy. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. All right, little dude. And there he goes with his new friends. Yay! How satisfying. He looks like he's doing well. And he's freaking beautiful. Assuming it's a he. I also don't know how to sex koi. I should learn that as well. I know the females have like bigger bodies and there's some differences in their fins, but it's hard to notice when they're in the water, you know? But it's on my to learn list. Look, wow, he's not shy at all. He's like coming right up. Hey, do you want to feed me? So yeah, video's not over. He came right up over here. Hey, little dude. I'm your new dad. How cool. The other fish that we got last week are just hiding in the tube. Maybe this new guy will teach them a thing or two about being outgoing. All right, that's all we got now, for real. Adios, peeps.